Hey guys, so welcome to Help Screen, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a WhatsApp voice message problems. So if you have this problem into your phone, what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your device. And now once you are here on the settings, just simply scroll down and go for the apps. And from here, just simply try to find WhatsApp over here. So it will be on letter W. And now, once you are on the WhatsApp, go ahead and go for the permissions right here. Just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here microphone. So tap on microphone, and guys, make sure this is allowed. Now for the second solution, what you could try to do is go back over here to the app info and just simply go for the storage and just simply tap on clear cache, and from here you should be able to fix the issue. Now, another solution. Now, what you could try to do is just simply go to the Google Play Store and just simply search for WhatsApp, and from here, just make sure you are running the latest version of the WhatsApp. And if any updates are available, you should be able to see here update instead of open. And you could just simply select the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Now, if it still doesn't work, just simply reinstall the application by tapping uninstall over here and tap uninstall, and just simply install it back again into your device. And this mostly fix the issue. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.